Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 午后大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine. And this month of November, we are borrowing a lot of things. 借来借去，你借我，我借你。今天要借什么东西？
借什么？
That's what friends are for. 朋友呢，就是要互相帮忙，
对，
对不对？今天我想跟你借电脑好了，但是呢，我们先教大家怎么说。可以借我吗 ？Can I borrow this？
做得將嗌麼？
做得將嗌麼 ？And 可以
做得
or 做唔得。That means 不可以 No. All right, I want to borrow her computer because maybe I need to work on a report. I want to play some games. Who knows? 可以跟你借电脑吗？
做得郎
做得郎
加天腦麼？
加天腦麼？天腦是電腦。
對。
哦，電腦 that is computer. 天腦。
海陸腔天腦。
天腦，好像要說 no 了。
不
想借我了。
不。
天腦 a different dialect for a computer, even though she didn't say no, she's just teaching you how to say computer, all right? 好，那当然我可以說可以啊，要做什麼，對不對？ Sure, but what do you want it for?
做得啦。
做得啦。
我做馬嘅。
我做馬嘅，這個教過啊，要做什麼啊？我做馬嘅。That means what do you want it for? 我要做報告啦。Okay, I want to do a report.
我做報告。
我做報告。報告班長。報告 that means a report, even though it also sounds like reporting to an army, right? Same thing, all right? Maybe I just want to play some games. 或許我只是想玩電腦一下，玩一些遊戲啦。我想玩電動。
想愛搞天通。
想愛搞天通。天通電動啊？
對。
Okay, that means an arcade game, any kind of game. 天通。想愛搞，搞就是想要玩，搞 means to play a computer game. Or maybe you just want to go online. 其實最常見到的就是借電腦要上網查資料嘛。So I want to check for some information online.
我查資料。
我查資料，資料 that means information. 查 is to search. All right. Okay, let's review some of these vocabulary. 就是我們每天都一定無時無刻在我們身邊的電腦。
天腦。
天腦 that's a computer. And then a report 報告。
報告。
報告 And finally a game, a video game 電玩。
天通。
天通就是電動玩具啦，哈，電玩也是一樣啦。It's all about borrowing something, so 可以借我嗎？
做得將嗌麼？
做得將嗌麼 And 做得 means yes or 做唔得 means no. There you go, another edition of Practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.